Okay, it's arrived, the Muc-Off sprayer. So let's see what's in the box. Looked at a lot of different types of devices, and the thing that attracted me to this one was the container for the fluids. So that allows me to be kind of away from a tap and able to fill up remotely and do some cleaning. Away from the garage. So there it is. What have we got in here? Lots of packaging. Battery, that'll need charging no doubt. Okay, that looks like an attachment. Yeah, like that. Okay, different type of jet, battery charger. Another kind of jet, and another. Okay, pressurized hose pipe. Hope that comes undone so it's not too curly. Another one. Okay, what else have we got in here? Just pumps and mechanics. So this is obviously the water container. Okay, so you can drag that around if it's heavy to lift. Better get the battery charged and give that a clean.